It's a place where everyone can find opportunities and a good quality of life. Responsible and prosperous Vale. We know that the Vale of Glamorgan is a good place to live, work and visit. Our vision is of a Vale that meets our needs today and into the future by creating places and safeguarding the vulnerable is essential for strong communities. We want an active and healthy Vale. We will work with our partners to encourage healthy eating and lifestyles. We will also collaborate with our colleagues in health to provide even more integrated and accessible services, enabling people to live independently and also ensure